My name is Kyra Arante. I'm 33 years old. I joined Sun Life last June 2021. During that time, it was still on pandemic. Ang dami kong rackets na ginagawa simply because regular employee pa po ako noon. Ang dami kasing nagsulputan ng mga sudden na mga expenses. Isa doon is kinailangan kong mag-rent ng place near my work kasi bilang isang commuter, hindi ko na magagawa yung the usual ko nag-uuwian kasi senior citizen yung parents ko. Doon nag-start yung journey ko na sumali or gumawa ng mga other rackets. Start akong magbenta ng bags online. I even joined networking at that time para may pinagkukuhanan ako ng income. How did I know Sun Life? Actually, in-approach ako ng unit manager ko ngayon kasi nakikita niya, dami-dami kong pinagkakaabalahan. Being a regular employee, nakita niya na may mga online selling ako, na networking ako. So it started with a call. What is it like to be in Sun Life? Actually, very rewarding yung career dito sa Sun Life. Bakit? Kasi masaya, especially I'm surrounded with good leaders na hindi ka hahayaan if you have any questions or kailangan mong natulong. Very approachable yung branch and yung mga co-workers. Second, they provide trainings. Parang dito, not just professionally, nag-grow ka, but as a person, you also get to grow. And lastly, it's a rewarding career kasi dito, you get to earn based on your sipag. The more na mas masipag ka, the more na mas marami kang income. So yung mga challenges ko before, one of course yung rejection. Mahirap for me at that time kasi yung mga una kong nilapitan syempre are the close ones, relatives and friends. And paano ko siya na-cope up? Of course, with all the trainings na provided ni Sun Life, na-realize ko na part siya ng journey. But ang nag-stick sa mind ko is, hanggat nandun sa akin yung passion and yung main goal ko na tumulong, bakit ako hihinto? Second na isa sa mga naging challenges ko before was, paano pagsasabayin at that time yung pagiging employee and pagiging part-timer. Most of the time kasi may mga clients na gusto ko nila i-meet agad, pero ikaw free ka lang kasi sa gabi, tapos free ka lang sa weekend. So ngayon, dahil nagbi-business na ako, parang I have the luxury of time na kaya ko na silang i-meet regardless even if it's weekdays or weekends. Most memorable experience ko sa Sun Life was nung nakapag-process ako ng claim. Hindi ko to makakalimutan kasi yung client ko na ito, sobrang bata pa. And during that time, sobrang random lang. Nilapitan ko lang siya, uy, kumuha ka na habang bata ka pa kasi mura. Only to find out, no, after a few years na, yun nga, na-diagnose siya with critical illness. And luckily, no, in-approach ko siya. Parang feeling ko, naging angel ako for that client. Kasi can you just imagine, kung hindi ko siya naalokan, parang it will be very hard for her kung saan niya kukunin yung pang-finance ng pagpapagamot. Tapos, there was this also a client, sobrang bata. Naalokan ko din siya ng life insurance. And then, after a year, he passed away due to accident. Memorable siya sa akin kasi fulfilling for me na matulungan yung parents niya na mabigyan ko ng proceeds from Sun Life. So, before Sun Life, I was a regular employee, but now I'm a business owner with other side hustles, and hopefully, no, I'll become a full-time Sun Life financial advisor. Mostly, no, people know being a Sun Life advisor, kailangan full-time ka. So it's not. Actually, ang kagandahan dito with this career, you can be doing a lot of things. Hindi ka lang full-time financial advisor, but you can also be a part-time. Like me, I'm a business owner. I've met a lot of other part-time Sun Lifers na they're also full-time mom. Yung iba naman, mompreneur. They're still doing their regular jobs. So, hindi siya constricted na pag sinabing Sun Life advisor ka is, yun lang yung pwede mong gawin. So, yun yung kagandahan dito, flexibility. So, kung gusto mong maging financial advisor, this career, you can do it remotely. Trainings will be provided for you and yung earning potential dito nakadepende sa sipag mo. My goal this year and in the coming years, no, is matap pa yung group life para mas marami akong matulungang businesses just like me na maging opportunity sa kanila ang Sun Life to help their businesses.